a couple things there in the morning, like the gondola ride and like maybe a hike, and then probably the luge ride down. Bless you. And then I think we're gonna head to Tianu tonight to camp, because that's how you get to Milford Sound in the Fjordland National Park. Thoughts on Glenarchy?
I love, my favorite camping spot so far was right down there. What's it called?
Glacier Burn?
Yeah, Glacier Burn.
Glacier Burn. There's just like a little car park that you could put a self-contained vehicle, like a camper van, there for free.
Got it, buddy.
But we were the only ones there, so. You just killed a bunny?
Okay.
Oh, it got away.
Take it easy.
Right, about to get on the gondola. We got gondola and luge race passes, and Ryan is going bungee jumping. Pretty cool.
Pretty sweet. That's where Ryan will be doing the bungee jump.
Oh, look, there's a paraglider. My legs are so sore from yesterday. We need to get Hallie a little kiwi bird. She'd probably love that. Here's the luge ride.
Cool helmet, honey.
Thanks. Here's the bungee platform that Ryan is about to jump off of.
Okay, let's do it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What up, everybody?
How was skydiving? I mean, I keep saying skydiving. How was bungee jumping?
Bungee jumping was awesome. And this little luge race course is pretty sweet as well.
This will be our third time going down the race course. Ryan's in line to do the luge one more time, and I'm going to try to camp out by the track to see if I can film him going by really fast. See if I can find a good spot. Every travel itinerary I read said to come here to eat, and it is packed. Apparently it's the best burgers. We got the goods. I'm so excited for this. Everything looks so delicious. Found a nice little spot. Check out these burgers. They look so good. And some sweet chili sauce, my favorite. That's good sweet chili sauce. Okay, we just stopped at another service hub to shower up before we keep driving. These things are so awesome. This one is in Queenstown over by the airport, in case anyone is planning a New Zealand trip and you're going to rent a camper van. These service hubs are awesome. So far in each like major city, we have found one, like Wanaka, Queenstown. So yeah, it's awesome. Free hot showers, free like dumping station for your vans, free like clean water to fill up all your water bottles. So yeah, we really like these. So now we are all fresh and clean, and we're going to head to Tianu so we can do Milford Sound and all the fjords tomorrow. Okay, we just made it to our camping spot along the road up towards Milford Sound. It's raining outside, so I gotta do this quick. I want to show you our camping spot. Oh, misty eye of the mountain below. So cool. Now we're gonna watch a movie. Good morning. It's 6:15 a.m. and we're back on the road to go to Milford Sound. It's been raining all night long, so we're just kind of taking a gamble whether the road is open or not, because we don't really have Wi-Fi to be able to check to see if it is. So hopefully it's open. But we heard you have to get an early start on the road to go to Milford, so here we are. Still pretty dark outside.
Earlier than anyone else.
Well, the road is closed. Darn.
You jinxed us yesterday.
So we gotta figure out a new game plan. So there is a slip in the road,
which we didn't know what a slip was, so let's define it for our millions of followers.
A slip is like a landslide, like a mudslide onto the road. It didn't look too bad, but the guy said that the road won't be open today, so he turned everybody around. So now, okay, so we've done a lot of driving this morning. We started heading up to Milford Sound. There was a landslide, and so they turned everybody around and said it won't be open today. So we were going to just head to like the East Coast, just cut our losses and drive 3 hours to the East Coast. But now it says that road's gonna be open in a couple hours. So I think we may head back up and try to do Milford Sound today and some tomorrow, because that would just be nice not having to come back here, because we really want to do this. So we're just getting some information right now, and then I think we're gonna head back up for the 2-hour drive, but it'll probably be longer because of the landslide. We just looked out big time. We went into like a travel agency little place, and she helped us book a campsite up at Milford Sound. There's only one spot left, and there's only one campsite at the lodge there. So we got so lucky. So yeah, we're gonna head up there now and go stay at Milford Lodge tonight. And hopefully they're running tours, because it is still pretty rainy. But hopefully we'll get on a cool tour to see the waterfall and maybe do a few hikes. But feeling pretty lucky today. Right now we're in Tianu. It's like the main city before you head up to Milford Sound. If you ever come here, this is like the last city pretty much. So gas up here, there's no gas up there. This is like the last grocery store. What else did they say? This is like the last Wi-Fi. So do everything you need to do in Tianu before you head up there, because you're kind of off the grid a little bit once you get up there. We made it to our camping site, the lodge. Look at our view. Not too shabby of a place to wake up to. Surrounded by waterfalls. That's so cool. And they have like this little kitchen area that we can use. So we're gonna go in here and cook us some lunch, and then I think we're gonna walk down to like the bay area to see about tours.
Not bad, not bad.
Nice little setup.
I think I might cook my egg to go on top.
All geared up and ready to go. Pretty nice. Got our passes.
It's gonna be sweet.
Here's our boat. Having a grand old time waiting aboard our boat. Got a little crazy. All over again. Don't say the name to feel them. There are a couple of dunked us in a waterfall. It was so intense. But the funniest part was watching Ryan's face because he was filming it. And it was just so funny because he was being sprayed by water and he couldn't do anything about it. Oh man, that was funny. Now we're soaked. Completely soaked. It was so fun. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was really cool. Now we're gonna go get a warm shower. Because it's cold. We're going back to the lodge. And this is the path. Hiking through a river. This is...
This is ice cold.
We're practically swimming through this. Good thing we're already soaked. We're gonna show up to the lodge and they're gonna be like, why did you go that way?